Ever wondered what it takes to land a job at a company as reputable as State Farm? Alright, let's dive into my personal journey of how I got hired at State Farm first. It all began with the job application process. I started by visiting the State Farm Careers website, which is super user-friendly. I then browsed through the open positions and found one that matched my skills and experience. In my case, it was for insert the job title. A solid application is key. I painstakingly tailored my resume and cover letter, highlighting the skills and experiences I thought were most relevant to the job description. Once I submitted my application, the waiting game began, but it wasn't long before I received an email inviting me to the next stage, the interview. The interview process usually involves a few rounds. I had an initial phone screen with a recruiter, which felt more like a conversation about my background. This helped us both to figure out if the job was a good fit. Then, the in-person interviews followed. These were with the hiring manager and sometimes included team members. They asked behavioral questions like, tell me about a time when, to assess my problem-solving skills and how I approach challenges. I focused on showcasing my personality, enthusiasm, and the transferable skills that I thought were required. I also researched State Farm beforehand, understanding their values and mission. This helped me to frame my answers in a way that showed I understood their culture. Finally, after the multiple interviews, I got the good news. I received a job offer. This process doesn't happen overnight and can take some time. I negotiated the offer and signed those important documents. Remember to be patient, research the company, tailor your application, and showcase your skills and experience. Good luck to you. #hired, #career journey. And that, in a nutshell, is my State Farm hiring experience.